can't see it.
Can you see it?
Oh wow, yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice background.
Yeah, it
Have a good aura going on there, huh?
Yeah, I would say so. You're not looking for change or anything. Yeah, very good.
I'm taking pictures.
Yeah.
It's not Lake Erie, Brad.
Oh wow, of the two of us, look at that.
Oh, that is a good one. That is a good one.
And that beautiful sunrise.
It's our last night.
Oh. Can we watch videos of this? Yeah, we do have to drink champagne.
I got 30 minutes of this.
So we can watch the video and drink champagne.
It'll be on YouTube. Since I can't upload high def on the Picasso. I did. And here is the ferry system of North Carolina. Chickamauga.
Narration by Matthew Gogan.
That's right. Here we are. We're pulling into the docks. Hatteras. Everyone's anticipating the landing.
Turtles.
Oh, I missed that. Here, wait. Cut. Take two. Go ahead, Brian. Say it. Hurry up.
Boat is